Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am your host Chris with reviews on this and that. So today I'll be doing a quick unboxing and a review of this awesome looking solar panel. When I mean awesome and portable, this thing is very small. This thing might be about 12 to 14 inches long by approximately 3 to 4 inches wide. And it is very small and lightweight. So as you can see on the front, this 1.5 watt solar battery charger is suitable for all 12 volt DC batteries, including cars, trucks, RVs, motorcycles, and boats. And you get a couple plugs with it. It comes with an auto lighter adapter, and you also get the DC battery adapter, the positive and negative, to connect to any 12 volt battery. And as you can see here, this is made by ThunderBolt Magnum. That's solar, that's the brand. Again, it's a 1.5 watt solar battery charger. This compensates for small steady battery drains. You can plug it directly into your 12 volt cigarette lighter, and the panel mounts easily to windshield or dash, including suction feet for mounting, as you can see here in the picture. Let's go ahead and take a quick look on the back of the package. And as you can see here, you can mount it to the window, plug it directly into your cigarette lighter, and you are all set. And the solar cell type, I think this is kind of important. It's amorphous silicone solar cells, which charge just about any daylight, believe it or not, from my knowledge. The peak output power is 1.5 watts. The max voltage on this is 18 volts. Dimensions are 13 7/8 by 4 7/8 with a 1/2 inch thick. Here's some basic information, basically what it states on the front, and let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. Let me go ahead and twist this around. So as you can see here, ladies and gentlemen, it does come nicely packaged. It comes in this strong, clear casing, which you can easily open. And once we look inside, you have your solar panel here, excuse me. And this thing is very light, and as you can see here on the back, it's just some basic information. The company, it's a 1.5 watt solar battery charger. There's a caution to prevent injury. So you can see that the cable that comes connected to it, it's about maybe 4 feet 5 long. This is a permanent connection to the solar panel, and the connector on it, this is what they call an SAE connector, which can be easily converted to other type of connectors. And you also get your car adapter, so you'd basically connect these two together, positive and negative right there. There's no way you can get this wrong. You just connect the car adapter directly to your car. You get your battery cables. You got your positive and your negative, and this again connects directly, and this is another SAE connection on this end, which connects directly to the solar panel itself. And then let me move these aside. And you have 4 smaller, maybe you guys can see this better here. You have 4 small size suction cups. I mean, I guess these will get the job done. And here you have a basic user manual. Oops. So there it is. Owner's manual and safety instructions. It's pretty straightforward. So now what I'm going to show you guys is, can this really charge a battery? Not a 12 volt battery, but a different type of battery. What I have here is a Go Power Plus. Let me get these out of the way. And here, what we have right here is, I have reviewed this on my channel previously. This is called the Go Power Plus portable. It's a portable power station, which can be charged either by the AC outlet through your at home, or through a 15 volt input solar input as well. So basically, almost any solar panel, up to 100 watt solar panel, can be plugged into this unit, and it will start charging almost instantly on a sunny day. So what we're going to do here, we're going to connect the solar panel. And as you can see, the light is blinking on the solar panel. I'm not sure what the blinking light means. I believe when it's actually providing juice, it means that it's actually, the light is supposed to be solid, from my knowledge. But on a blinking light, I believe it means it's trying to produce juice. I'm not too sure, to be honest. I just opened this right now as we speak. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this into the power bank and see what happens here. I'll be using an extension cable, an adapter, excuse me. I'll show you guys here one time here in just a moment. Alright guys, so we have your solar panel right here, and I have directly connected it to the short solar adapter, which converts basically SAE connection to a port, I believe this is called port 5521, to connect to this portable power station. And you can see that here right on the screen. You can see the incoming power. Now this is the battery temperature in Fahrenheit. It's 83 degrees. And then on the right hand side, you can see the battery status going up and down. So even on it's a sunny day right now, but it's getting late towards the evening. It's actually believe it or not, it's almost 8 p.m. right now, and this thing is still pulling juice. How much juice? I am not too sure, but honestly, it is charging, which is amazing. I mean, we're talking here, 8 p.m. So imagine if this thing is plugged into your 12-volt battery or any portable power station that supports solar, that has solar input like this one. I'll show you guys here at the bottom where it says 15 volt input, solar input right there. And then on the right hand side, that's the 12-volt output on the right hand side. That's if you want to use the device. And you can see clearly that this thing is charging. I mean, it's well late into the evening, honestly, right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave the description for the Go Power Plus portable power station. This unit is awesome. This thing is about maybe 4 or 5 pounds heavy. It's actually very light. It has a NOAA built-in weather radio stations. You got power for this side. It's got four USB ports. You actually have a direct integrated AC outlet, and then you have your speakers on the side. And then you also have a flashlight on the right hand side. Again, I have reviewed this on my YouTube channel. Check out that video if you like. I will leave this in the description. I'll also leave the link to the solar panel itself in the description, and also where you can get this short adapter to convert it from SAE to port 5521. So if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and sub to me right now. I would really appreciate that. If you found any benefits in this video, I would really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Other than that, thank you for watching so much. I will see you guys next time. Have an awesome weekend.